Woo! Been a long time, been several years. Since we built this pond, it ain't been this full.
Only right at the beginning.
Right at the beginning when we first built it, it was this full. And you see how deep the grass is all out in the water now? And look behind it here.
I think since we built it, it's only run over once.
It has, it's only ran over one time.
It's coming out the overflow.
Yep, it's running out the overflow.
And running down into the swamp.
Look at that. That's a lot of water still coming in that pond to be running out that way. All the underground springs are alive now.
And we almost hit one back here.
Yeah, coming in here. It's draining out the side of the field. I couldn't
right here where he cuts hay, you can see his...
You can see up yonder, I was coming down through there and it was starting to bog
That's all
up.
boggy right there.
That has never, since we bought the property, it has never been that way.
It's never been wet.
Never been wet there.
Let's go see this end down here. Let's go to the pier. I see our fish wanting to be fed.
Well, I have a little bitty tiny pine tree I left in the edge of the water right there. That is where the pond's supposed to be at, because the pink flag is there from when we built the lake, and the pine tree came up right at the little pink flag. So I left it as a way to let me know when the pond is where it needs to be at. But over 2 days ago, we had got 3.5 inches of rain in a 48-hour period. And then since midnight of last night till this morning, we got 4.5 more inches of just torrential downpours. And it has filled, it's filled the pond back up. The fish are all waiting on me. Feels good to see the water right here again. Looks like I could reach here and touch them now. We got one catfish. Look at the top of his head. His skin's gone. Look at him right there.
What happened to his head?
He's probably watering his head in something. Look at that. I'm not used to hearing them under the pier.
I know, that sounds weird when they flop under this pier.
Look at them things. I could take a dip net and pick them up, but you can see that one there is skinned. I don't know if that's an old big female where she's been wallering out a place to lay her eggs or what, but man, I'm looking at I can see the brim now.
You can see them really good. I don't know if the camera picks them up, but
I see them good with my eyes. We got little catfish, we got big catfish. You sit there now and dangle your feet off, they'll be in the water. Catfish like to get your toes. I can't believe that. God is good. Fill the pond back up.
it's a blessing.
It's a blessing. I didn't think I was going to see it come back up. It's been 2 years it's been down. And now it's up. this one was coming out of the cornfield swimming through the water.
Swimming.
I don't know if I got him or not. He was right there in my thing. Go look for him. Go look. Go. Go. Go look for him. Go. Yeah. Go on the fence. Go look for him. Go. I don't know if I got him or not.
Come on, Lucy. Right here. Here.
Go look for him. Go.
Here, go under. She said, she ain't going in there.
Go. Go get him.
There you go. That's a good girl.
I think there's where I shot him. Right there's where I shot it, but he was right there somewhere. If I didn't hit him, he went up that tree.
She's like tree.
Nope,
In the water.
he's got it.
She found it, didn't she? It was in the water. That
It was
blowed
in the water.
The scent was. All right, Lucy,
Come on,
bring it.
let's ride. Come on, let's ride. Come on,
The water threw her
let's
off,
ride. Let's go.
but she found it.
Come on,
So wait a minute, I gotta look for
let's
another
go.
one.
Come on,
Let's go.
let's go.
Let's ride.
Let's ride.
Come on.
That's a good girl. Come on, bring him on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go.
She said, I gotta get a hold of it like
Come
I
on,
want.
let's go. Come on. Come on here. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Come on.
Scoot
That's a good
down.
girl. Come on, let's go. Come on. My leg can't hold it up forever.
Come on. Scoot, scoot.
That's a good girl. Come on. Let's ride. Come on, jump up in here. Let's go.
Where did she go? She still got it?
Where's she going? I didn't see that. I was looking at the blueberries. Come on here. Go, go, go. Look at this, yeah, guys, look at this. A stick fell, wind was blowing hard, stick fell across here, broke my plant off.
We can make green tomatoes.
Irritates me. Last week we had 5.5 inches of rain. Today alone we had 4.5 up to this point. The day ain't over. And all this rain, look at the tomatoes are getting these viruses. I mean, I keep coming out here pulling the old leaves off, but it's been a really tough year. But with all that being said, look at here.
They're starting to turn.
Look at here. I ain't gonna leave them on the plant. I'm gonna let them turn in the house because all this rain we're getting,
They'll just bust.
I don't want to run the risk of them busting, and we've already been getting some off of the ones in the field up yonder. Miss Wanda actually likes this variety. She talks about how easy the skin and all comes off of them when they get ready. And they're an heirloom tomato. And you can tell, see, an heirloom, I've learned, heirlooms get these stripes getting ready like this first. They take on that look. Look at these. These were so pretty. And it has rained and rained and rained and rained.
But there's still lots of tomatoes, so if they go ahead and start turning.
If they'll just go ahead and turn, and this being a determinate variety, I mean, look at them in there.
And no leaves hardly anymore.
Well, technically, you don't have to have leaves to grow tomatoes. That's always been a myth. Oh, look at here.
Ah, peppers. There's another one.
Yeah.
You know what you want for supper? Poppers?
I like my popper. Now, this is lunchbox here, but that one there, that's
Got
sitting
too
on the
much
ground. Look at it,
Yeah.
unrotted. Lucy, there's one you play with it. Got another. I didn't even check the tomatoes in the big garden up yonder. Not today.
They're full of water.
They're underwater. Everything up there is underwater.
So that's we're gonna replant some more of these.
Yeah, because these tomatoes were actually made for let me get this right quick. These were actually made for hot, dry weather. Just sitting on the ground. And it ain't been no hot, dry weather.
We've had some hot days, but not past 85. Well, we had a couple of 90s.
We had a few 90s there for about a week, and I looked at my watch a while ago. At between 1:30 and 2 o'clock, it was 71 degrees outside.
And what is it? May the 28th, isn't it?
Today's May 28th. I told Wanda, I said, I don't ever remember in my life May 28th being 70-something degrees at 1:30, 2 o'clock in the day. You know what I mean? This weather is crazy. It is just, it's not normal. Yep, that's where that squirrel was at. Tomatoes in here all eat.
So that one you were after a while ago?
That squirrel I shot,
Yeah.
there's tomatoes laying on the ground here eating.
I'm guessing he won't eat no more?
I mean,
He done a damage to them, didn't he?